Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FreshBooks for freelancers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate FreshBooks for your freelance business, start by visiting the FreshBooks website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. Next, select your country and enter your business name. Once complete, click on Create Account. You will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the FreshBooks setup page. Now, you'll be prompted to enter additional information about your business. Provide details such as your address, currency, and business type. Following this, you can set up your payment methods. Choose whether you want to accept online payments from clients. If you select this option, you'll be guided through linking your bank account. After that, set up your invoice preferences. Customize your invoice by adding your logo and adjusting the color scheme. Once your invoices look the way you want, save your changes. Next, explore features such as tracking time and expenses. You can also invite team members or collaborators if needed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This will help you navigate through your financial records efficiently. Finally, review all settings before you start using FreshBooks regularly. Your account is now activated and ready for your freelance work. Enjoy the streamlined invoicing and expense management FreshBooks offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.